Hi there, my name is Aaron Lin and I'll be your instructor for this course on how to use AI to increase your business and personal productivity. So I'll tell you a bit about myself in the next video, but first let's talk about AI. So AI is going to be a technological tool that you are going to leverage for your own productivity. Now this diagram is a simplified version of what I call the productivity stack, and it says that your productivity is a function of your resources multiplied by your leverage minus your obstacles. And what AI is a form of leverage, specifically a form of systems and tech leverage. It's technological in nature, and because of that, you can use AI to get more done in less time. Now, because this is a productivity course, I do want to mention time management as well. And everything you know about time management still applies. All the frameworks, techniques, tricks, and everything still apply. And this is a simplified version of my time management stack. And again, where AI sits is in the systems layer, where it can mostly help you with tasks and information. And that is, AI is great at helping us manage inputs and create output. And so this course is going to be structured around the idea of inputs and outputs. And I think this is more practical for most people than structuring around specific topics that maybe only 5 to 10% of students may use. And basically, by the end of this course, you're going to be able to use AI to help you handle the overwhelming amount of information in your life, and also have AI act as your assistant to help you output faster and better quality data. All right, so here are some assumptions that I am making as you take this course. So I'm assuming that you have access to AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, that you don't live in a country where there's an embargo on AI tools. That's the first thing. I'm also going to assume that you work in front of a computer, which means you work with documents, emails, spreadsheets, so on and so forth, because that's what most of these techniques are going to be helpful for. Now, most of the scenarios and examples are going to be from the business world because that's my background. But you can also generalize and take them and apply them to other contexts as well. And here are the objectives of this course. Look, the point of this course is not for you to never have to do anything ever again. It is to make the daily work in your life and generally everything in your life a lot easier. So you're going to get more done in less time, and you are going to speed up or eliminate the boring stuff. And you're going to have more time for higher value activities, right? And I don't think it's an exaggeration to say that by the end of this course, you're going to get 5 to 10 times the amount of stuff done in the same amount of time as before. Now, what this course is not going to be is it's not going to be a cool showcase of AI capabilities. If you want that, hop on Twitter or any kind of social media and you'll see all sorts of wacky prompts and use cases for AI that have no practical real-world value. So we are not going to cover those in this course. All right, here is the course structure. This is the introduction, which you're watching right now. We are then going to go into the fundamentals of AI for business and personal productivity. And I know it's tempting to skip the fundamental theory stuff, but please do not skip it. I've kept it short and light and easy to learn. And learning this is going to make your prompting and make the rest of the course make so much more sense. They're very short videos, so please do not skip them. We're then going to dive into different scenarios that you are going to come across in daily context, like handling email, or handling large amounts of information, or having to create content or stuff like that. And I'm going to show you how to use AI and specific prompts to resolve all these scenarios faster. You're going to get examples, you're going to get the techniques, you're going to get the prompts, and you're going to be able to generalize what you've learned to different scenarios in your own work and personal life. And then I'm going to close up the course with some next steps for you, where you can go from here for even more productivity. All right, that is it for the introduction. Let's get into it.